My family and I have known for years that there are costs to standing up to Donald Trump, but we couldn't imagine ourselves living any other way. We will not live on our knees, and you shouldn't either.
The U.S. Justice Department filed criminal charges against former FBI Director James Comey on Thursday in a dramatic escalation of President Donald Trump's retribution campaign against his political enemies. Comey faces charges of making false statements and obstructing a congressional investigation, and, if convicted, he could face up to 5 years in prison. Comey posted this video on Instagram after his indictment.
My heart is broken for the Department of Justice, but I have great confidence in the federal judicial system, and I'm innocent. So let's have a trial and keep the faith.
Meanwhile, Trump, who has pressured Attorney General Pam Bondi to prosecute Comey and other critics, celebrated the news on Truth Social, saying, quote, "Justice in America," and that Comey, quote, "has been so bad for our country for so long." Trump fired Comey in 2017, early in his first term in office. He has since regularly slammed Comey's handling of the FBI investigation that detailed contacts between Russians and Trump's 2016 campaign. Thursday's indictment alleges that Comey, in a 2020 testimony under oath, misled Congress by claiming he had not authorized anyone else to be an anonymous source in news reporting about an FBI investigation. It's the first time Trump's administration has succeeded in securing a grand jury indictment against one of his political rivals. The charges breach decades-long norms that have sought to insulate U.S. law enforcement from political pressures. The federal prosecutor in Virginia who had been in charge of the case resigned last week after drawing Trump's wrath for expressing doubts about the case. According to sources familiar with the matter, others in that office have privately said the evidence does not merit criminal charges.
Somebody that I love dearly recently said that fear is the tool of a tyrant, and she's right. But I'm not afraid, and I hope you're not either. I hope instead you are engaged, you are paying attention, and you will vote like your beloved country depends upon it, which it does. My heart is broken for the Department of Justice, but I have great confidence in the federal judicial system, and I'm innocent. So let's have a trial and keep the faith.